Welcome to the Live Big, Live Full, Live Authentic Daily Affirmation Podcast. I am Lamondre Pugh, and I am honored to share this moment with you. So, this week is all about sacred rest and inner peace. And today, we reclaim stillness, not as laziness, but as a path to restoration. So take a deep breath and let's begin. Stillness restores me. I allow myself moments of quiet to rest, reflect, and reconnect. Now repeat after me. Stillness restores me. I allow myself moments of quiet to rest, reflect, and reconnect. Now, inhale stillness. Hold it and exhale everything that's pulling you in too many directions. Now visualize yourself in a quiet, comforting place. No demands, no noise, just peace. Feel your body soften. Feel your mind release. Let the stillness refill you. Stillness restores me. I allow myself moments of quiet to rest, reflect, and reconnect. Thank you for joining me today. If today's moment gave you something good, hit that follow button and pass it on. And visit liveauthenticdaily.com for more empowering insights on living authentically. Remember, your life matters, your voice has power, and the world needs the authentic you. Until tomorrow, live big, live full, live authentic.